Climate change poses a significant threat to the life on our planet. It causes rise of sea level, heat waves, droughts, storms, and other extreme weather events. It is leading to loss of life, displacement of people, and damage to infrastructure and economies. Climate change also has a potential to create political, economic, and social instabilities as resources become scarce and people are forced to migrate. The best way to reduce the impacts of climate change is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This will require a global effort from government, business, and individuals. In order to facilitate the coordinated effort, Paris Agreement was signed in 2015, which aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. India is also committed to the efforts to reduce climate change effects by setting ambitious targets for the transition to clean energy sources. One of the target is to increase the share of electric vehicles in the overall vehicle population to 30% by 2030. Today, we will see what are government plans for automobile industry and how automakers are making an effort towards a clean future. Government has several plans and policies to promote transition to cleaner fuel. Most important scheme is FAME scheme, which stands for faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles. It provides incentives for the purchase of EVs, hybrids, and other advanced vehicles. Government has also launched National Electric Mobility Mission Plan 2020, which aims to put 5 to 6 million electric and hybrid vehicles on Indian roads. The National Electric Mobility Program, which aims to establish charging infrastructure and to provide support for the development of advanced battery technologies. The National Auto Policy, which aims to create an enabling environment for the growth of automobile industry and to support the development of advanced technologies such as electric vehicles and connected cars. The scheme of scrappage policy, which aims to promote the replacement of old and polluting vehicles with new and more energy efficient vehicles, which can help to curb pollution and to support the growth of the automobile industry. Overall, the Indian government's plan for the automobile industry are focused on promoting the growth of the industry, supporting the transition to cleaner and more efficient technologies, and reducing the dependence on fossil fuels. Automobile industry also rise to the demand of occasion and launched vehicles with various fuel types. Today we are going to see what are the new developments in auto industry which have been showcased in Auto Expo 2023 held in Greater Noida. On the visit of the venue, we came across different type of vehicles based on different types of fuels. So let's start. First pavilion was based on ethanol theme. Well, ethanol is an alcohol fuel made from crops such as corn, sugarcane, and wheat, which can be blended with petrol to reduce emissions and improve fuel economy. Maruti Suzuki showcased WagonR with 20% blending of ethanol. Bikes also showcased by Honda, TVS Motors, and Suzuki. These vehicles are called FFVs, means flex fuel vehicles. These are modified versions of current vehicles that can run on both petrol and ethanol blended petrol. Next pavilion focused on the electric vehicles. Here, every company showcased their electric vehicle and their future concepts. Maruti Suzuki launched EVX in electric vehicles, which can travel 550 kilometers on a single charge. Launch is expected in 2025. Apart from electric launch, Maruti Suzuki also unveiled the most anticipated Jimny, making its global debut in the five-door avatar with four-wheel drive as standard. It aims to be more practical than its three-door version. The bookings have already begun via the Nexa chain, and Maruti could price it from rupees 10 lakh onwards. The Fronx, a Baleno-based subcompact crossover, was also launched at the 2023 Expo alongside the Jimny. Fronx also marks the return of the 1-liter booster jet turbo petrol engine, which was first seen on the now discontinued Baleno. Bookings for the Fronx are currently being taken, with prices likely starting at rupees 8 lakh. We also got to see the Brezza CNG, which will be the first CNG offering in the subcompact SUV segment. It will have the same engine as the Grand Vitara CNG and may cost roughly a lakh more than the regular petrol manual models. Tata Motors also unveiled the Avinia and Harrier EV concepts during the auto show. These are expected to come to the market in 2025 and 2024 respectively. The company currently sells EV versions of its Tigor sedan and Nexon SUV. MG showcased MG4, MG5, Marvel R. MG also launched PHEVs, which are plug-in hybrid vehicles. Basically, comes with internal combustion engine and a battery pack for electric motor, which can be charged from the either engine or through plug-in. Hyundai announced the Indian launch of the all-electric Ioniq 5 during the Expo with 72.6 kilowatt-hour battery and range of 470 kilometers. Company also showcased its all-electric Ioniq 6 sedan. Chinese automaker BYD announced the launch of its Seal all-electric sedan in India during the Expo. According to the company, sales of Seal sedan have exceeded 50,000 in China, and the vehicle should come to the Indian market in the fourth quarter of 2023. The company also claims that the BYD Seal has a range of up to 700 kilometers. Switch Mobility displays Switch EIV7 electric bus, which offer a range of up to 250 km with dual gun charging. Next fuel in focus was hydrogen fuel cells, wherein the hydrogen is used in fuel cell which produce electricity. MG Motor unveiled its hydrogen fuel cell MPV. Toyota has showcased the second generation Mirai hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. The Mirai makes 174 HP from the hydrogen fuel cell stack and is said to have a driving range of around 640 kilometers. Toyota says that the Mirai cleans the air as you drive thanks to a catalyst type filter that's fitted into the air intake, which captures pollutants. Ashok Leyland showcased a hydrogen fuel cell powered truck at Auto Expo 2023. The truck is equipped with a 55 kilowatt-hour battery pack and 4 hydrogen fuel tanks of 8.4 kg each. Each fuel type has its own unique characteristics and is suitable for different types of vehicles and applications. The choice of fuel will depend on factors such as cost, availability, and environmental impact. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Here are some highlights of Auto Expo for you to enjoy.